Hi guys, so today we are going to compare the new Samsung M51 with OnePlus Nord and let's see if it can beat the most hyped phone of 2020, the OnePlus Nord. So let's find out with TechieJus. Build quality. So about M51, it has a bulkier form factor. It is more heavier and thicker than OnePlus Nord and has a plastic back. However, it has an advantage that it has a triple slot which helps you to expand storage along with two SIM cards. So about OnePlus Nord, it is thinner and lighter than Samsung M51. It has a glass back, but there is one disadvantage. It has only a dual nano SIM slot. Display. So about display, Samsung M51 has a 6.7-inch punch hole Super AMOLED Plus display, which has an advantage of being thinner and showing more punchier colors. It has an aspect ratio of 19:5:9 and has protection of Gorilla Glass version 3. However, it has only a refresh rate of 60 Hz and lesser brightness of 420 nits. Whereas OnePlus Nord has a 6.4-inch dual punch hole fluid AMOLED display with an aspect ratio of 20:9. It has screen protection of Gorilla Glass version 5 and has a refresh rate of 90 Hz, which provides more smoother scrolling and has more brightness of 500 nits. Performance. About performance, Samsung M51 has been provided a major upgrade by brand by providing Qualcomm Snapdragon 730G with GPU of Adreno 618 and has a fabrication of 8nm and supports up to 4G connectivity and has Android 10 version. But OnePlus Nord still remains a better choice for performance because it has Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G with an GPU of Adreno 620. It has fabrication of 7nm and supports connectivity of 5G too. It has Android 10 version. Camera. So let's talk about camera. So Samsung M51 has a main camera of 64 megapixel Sony IMX682 with a depth sensor of 5 megapixel, an ultra wide camera of 12 megapixel, a macro camera of 5 megapixel. It supports video recording up to 4K 30 fps and has highlight of single take feature which captures 10 different types of pictures and videos together. It has front camera of 16 megapixel, whereas OnePlus Nord has a primary sensor of 48 megapixel with depth sensor of 5 megapixel along with ultra wide camera of 8 megapixel and a macro camera of 2 megapixel. It supports video recording up to 4K 30 to 60 fps and its main highlight is OIS, which is optical image stabilization, which helps to capture more smoother transitions in videos. It has front camera of 32 megapixel and an 8 megapixel ultra wide camera. Other features. So let's talk about other features. Samsung M51 has 3.5mm jack, whereas OnePlus Nord doesn't. Both do not have notification light. Alert slider is present in OnePlus Nord and not in Samsung M51. Samsung M51 has a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, whereas OnePlus Nord has an in-display sensor. Both support face unlock. Samsung M51 has a battery of 7000 mAh, whereas OnePlus Nord has battery of 4115 mAh. Fast charging on M51 is of 25 watt, whereas OnePlus Nord has a 30 watt fast charging. Both have Widevine L1 and OS in Samsung M51 is One UI, whereas in OnePlus Nord has Oxygen OS. Price and variants. So let's talk about the most important aspect, the price. So Samsung M51 has two variants of 25,000 and 27,000. The 25,000 model has 6GB RAM and 128GB ROM, whereas the 27,000 model has 8GB RAM and 128GB ROM. Whereas OnePlus Nord has 3 models of 25,000, 28,000 and 30,000. The 25,000 model has 4GB RAM and 64GB ROM, whereas 28,000 model has 6GB RAM and 128GB ROM, and 30,000 model has 8GB RAM and 256GB ROM. So what's the overview? According to me, OnePlus Nord is a better package with a more refresh rate display and better performance supporting 5G. But I would recommend Samsung M51 to those who like to consume multimedia on their mobile phones with a greater battery life. So it's your choice, but I think OnePlus Nord, I personally suggest you to buy OnePlus Nord over Samsung M51 at present. So thank you guys for watching the video. If it was helpful, please like the video and subscribe the channel for more techie content. See you.